High as a plane, G-body rolling fat blunts and we smoke like a chimney. Don't speak on my name for the fame. He'll crash dummy cause he don't like living. They like he know what's so hold up.
YouTube. That's how I made another video today. Shit. My transmission today. That's all I got to do today. It ain't too hot out here today. Plus I'm in the garage, doors down, half up. Make sure it's clean up on it though, but everything's still in the same spot. Transmission. Well, I'm gonna put that. So I slide that up on it the other day. Got a new transmission now. See how this go. Apparently, that mug is shot. That ain't bad. Wish I could flip the camera around. I can't. But on this next video though, I'm gonna just show y'all everything. Then I'm gonna crawl up on the hill. So this video might be an hour, 2 hours, depending on how much I play around. I don't know. But yeah, let's get cracking on this, man. Alright, remember transmission. Look at the transmission now, man. That job is. Move that out the way. Move that out the way. I don't think it should be doing that. I think it should be doing that. Let's set that up here. Phone that with Mo to get back. See how much fun it's gonna be getting it up in that hole right there. Oh. Again. But trust the fan now. Need him. Very important player to this process. Alright, let's get cracking, man. Sidebar. I ain't finna give y'all no 3 hour long damn video. Oh, excuse me. So, yeah. I think this motherfucker saw better days. Yeah, I think that's all better days because I don't think it should be moving at all. And I ain't got my star bits, so we gotta be careful with these. Some regular 6-point sockets. Oh yeah, I did make a mess. Try to check my transmission fluid. You know that. They don't want to give you a dipstick, they want to give you a block off. So, try to check it, make sure there's no water in it. Of course, there's not no water in it, and it's beautifully red. So, be right back. Let me pause this here. Sidebar. Under the car now. I see why YouTubers and everybody have tripods and ring lights and all that good shit. They're trying to record and do this shit is anyway, so got it on the car. I'm under the car. Luckily I got the garage because it's going down outside. Fun part, one transmission on jack. Yeah, that's the fun part. And get it up in the air. I think I got a problem up under here. We gonna wait to get to that point. Matter of fact, I need to stop and look for it now. So, be right back. I apologize. Alright, I'm back. So, found what the fuck I was looking for. Wasn't a problem, it was something I was missing to continue this. But good news is got it on the jack. Had to take turbo board out because that boy, whew, heavy. With it in there. But making progress. Again, I ain't trying to give y'all no 4-hour YouTube video. Cutscenes, I'm cutting it myself. I don't want to see y'all looking at me trial and error. Who say this motherfucker might slide off the jack? Happens all the time, especially when you're by yourself. So, sidebar, finna go up with it, bolt it up, put brand new transmission mount on it, then put the other mount that holds it up on the back of it. Put torque converter back in there, all the way flush in there, as far as it's gonna go. And we just gonna wait on the heart. Whenever I get around to it. Been busy, real busy. And little technical difficulties with it too. So yeah, gonna get it up, blah blah blah. Be right back. Extreme sidebar. Got a little last update. Something had failed when I was putting my transmission up. My shifter rod. Let me explain that. The shifter rod, I got an electric shifter, but it still got to connect to the transmission. So it's a rod that go from the shifter on the inside of the car to the transmission. The rod had failed. I was like, what the fuck? You know, what? Why did that fall? So came to the center of the car, looked at the shifter, little plastic piece just dangling. Just it wrapped up everything. I think it broke my shifter. Don't know when. I think when I was transporting or whatever. My shifter broke. So guess I gotta go on G8 swap the center console and the shifter and all that. So well, you know what I'm doing now. So taking the shifter out or the inside of the car. I can still put my transmission up. It's just 4 bolts that's gonna be on top of the tail shaft for the transmission. I'm gonna have to maneuver through that just to put the shifter in. So I guess I'm gonna take the shifter out of the car while I hunt for another one. Or, like I said, G8 swap it, center console and shifter. So there's another update. Messing with that now. So can't flip the camera, so I'm just gonna have to put it in another video. Yeah. But yeah, once I get this last bolt out, might well call it a day, get back on it the next day. Cause they know that I had to open up a can of worms today. In the midst of hunting for a shifter, I don't know. I know I'm wake up early in the morning again. I woke up early today, but I was being lazy. Well, I'll put a transmission in. It ain't gonna take long. Just put the transmission up. Shit. Okay. I don't know. But yeah. Now it's time to make a decision here. Put the original shifter with another console in it. Or do everybody else doing, put the G8 center console with the shifter. And the e-brake. Just options. I still got time. I ain't in a rush putting the car back together. Even though I do miss driving. Do say that. Me and the white ghost had some. Okay. But yeah. But then again, YouTube, I'ma just make it some parts into parts. I'm just gonna call it that. So I guess this would be part 1. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think I should do. YouTube. YouTube. It's your boy NSM Big Al. Part 2. Whatever. Whatever you want to call it, but it's the next day. It ain't morning, I can tell you that. It's the afternoon, really. I'm gonna just do that shifter separate from putting this transmission in, because I'm still make my mind up on what I want to do, because I really aiming towards a Camaro center console and shifter. So that's gonna be in another video. I gotta hunt one down. Getting prices where I'm at. Some good prices. I just gotta go look at them, see if it ain't broke, all that now. So it's gonna be in a different video. But back to this transmission. Been working on it for about an hour now, but only took about 10 minutes to let it drop. Cause I got long tube pedals on here, and I had to get the bell housing around the long tube pedals. I'm gonna let y'all see, cause I can't explain it and show it to y'all. I'm just gonna put it in another video. So, alright. As you can see, was going up with it. I had to get past the runners. But after I got it to go above, above the headers, I decided to stop and get y'all a quick view of what, got going on. Now I'm finna get back on the ground and do the back end, tighten up everything back there, plug up whatever needs to be plugged up, if I can, because I don't see my transmission plug anywhere. But yeah, I'm just gonna bolt that up, wait on the transmission. Now I got another task at hand, get another shifter. So yeah, YouTube, still waiting, y'all. Actually, I'm waiting on myself, because I think my motor already done, but things happen, No rush. It's still, again, no rush. But it's gonna be nice when I get back out all the time in a different state. Later, YouTube. It's up there. So all I gotta do is put the cross number up. Don't mind that hole. I gotta get a shifter. Shifter I was talking about. Yeah. Thing up, bolted together, tight. That's a motherfucker, bitch. But it's the last thing that is putting the transmission with. Get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, YouTube. I'm done with transmission. I just got the jack to hold the nose of it up. Some lit up. My transmission mount, I got to go find 2 nuts, cause these didn't fit on the new one, like a size bigger or whatever. So everything tightened up under there, whatever. Just gotta go find 2 nuts, from a hardware store or a parts store, don't matter. But yeah, transmission's done for right now. That'll be wrapping up part 1 of me put my transmission in. I still got that to talk about with y'all. That's whole different. Anyway, so comment, like, subscribe. NSM, Big Al, holla at you.
High as a plane, G-body rolling fake blunts and we smoke like a chimney. Don't speak on my name for the fame. He'll crash dummy cause he don't like living. They like can't know what's the hold up.